Want to make money while shipping from your favorite stores? Imagine earning extra cash by helping people buy products from the US, UK, and Canada, then shipping them to their customers. Sounds simple, right? Well, it is. In today's video, we will show you how to start a profitable personal shopper business, even from home, helping international customers get what they need. The best part? You can do this with little to no upfront investment. Stick around until the end of this video because we will discuss each step on how to start and run this full-time business. Before we dive in, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more money-making business ideas. So how does this business works? Let's break it down into 3 easy steps. Step 1. Your customers want items from the US, UK, Canada stores but can't buy directly due to payment issues, high shipping fees, or store restrictions. Step 2. You purchase the items on their behalf and store them. Step 3. You consolidate and ship the orders through a courier or freight forwarder, saving them money on international shipping. This is a huge opportunity because millions of people outside these countries struggle to shop from multiple sites like Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, and Shein. For example, a customer in Jamaica wants a new iPhone, but Apple does not ship there. They hire you to buy it and you send it via a shipping company like DHL or Aeropost. Easy money, right? This business is ideal for people in the US, Canada, UK, or any major shopping hub who can help international customers buy products from multiple stores and ship them together to save on costs. This is great for people in the Caribbean, Africa, Latin America, or other regions who don't have direct access to major retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Sephora, or Best Buy. Now let's talk about how to set up your personal shopper business. Don't worry, you don't need a storefront, just a phone, internet, and a little organization. Choose your business structure. Start as a sole proprietor or register as an LLC for protection. If in the US and you have an LLC, get an EIN number. That's an employer identification number. It's also free for tax purposes. Choose a business name and branding. Pick a catchy name like Shop and Ship Express, Easy Buy Global, or even US to US shopping service. Sounds catchy, right? Also, make sure to do your research to make sure those names are not yet taken. Create a simple logo using Canva. You can use the free version and set up a Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok page. Customers need a secure way to pay you. Options can include PayPal. Most international customers trust PayPal, Stripe for credit card payments, Wise or Remitly for bank transfers, Zelle or Cash App for local US, Canada customers. For example, if a client from Trinidad wants a Nike shoes that's only available in store, they send you $120 via PayPal. You buy the shoes and charge a small fee for your service. Now you're probably wondering, where do I find those customers? Easy. Here's where to look. Facebook groups, Instagram and TikTok, post shopping finds and shipping tips. Reddit communities, people looking for shopping help. YouTube shorts, show how you consolidate and ship packages. An example of this is one simple Instagram post like, need help buying from multiple stores like Amazon, Ross, and At Home? I can shop, consolidate items, and ship for you. This ad that I just gave you can bring in clients instantly. Here's a secret. Your customers will love you more if you can help them find deals and discounts. Some of the best US stores for international shoppers are Amazon, where you can find everything, Walmart and Target for clothes, electronics, groceries, Sephora and Ulta for beauty and skincare, Best Buy and Apple for tech and gadget, Nike and Adidas for shoes and sportswear. Some of the best Canadian stores for international shoppers are The Bay, luxury brand, Canadian Tire, Auto and Hardware, Lululemon, athleisure wear, Best Buy Canada for tech, Costco for bulk goods and groceries. To earn a little extra in addition to your fees, You can also sign up for loyalty programs like Rakuten and Honey to earn cash back on your purchases. For shipping and logistics, your customer will need a US, UK, or Canada address and a reliable courier to ship items internationally. Option 1. Work with existing courier. These companies ship from the US, UK, Canada to the Caribbean, Latin America, and Africa. Aeropost ships to the Caribbean and Latin America. DHL and FedEx, fast international shipping. Amerijet, great for large packages to the Caribbean. Terra Couriers for African-based customers. And for option 2, you can set up your own shipping system. Rent a small storage space, even a PO box works. Consolidate packages weekly or bi-weekly for shipping. Charge customers a service fee per order plus shipping costs. An example of the pricing model could be personal shopper fee, 10 to 15% of the total purchase. Shipping fee based on weight and destination, handling fee, small extra fee for packaging. For example, if a customer spends $500 on shopping, you can charge 10%, which is $50 plus shipping. That's a great side hustle income. Automate and scale your business. Create a website. Use Shopify, Wix, or WordPress to make a simple ordering website. Customers can submit orders, pay, and track shipment online. Use order management tools. Apps like Google Sheets, Trello, or Monday.com can help track orders and prevent confusion. Hire help when growing. Once you start to get large, don't try to do it all by yourself. Hire help if needed. A virtual assistant can handle customer message. A part-time packager can help consolidate shipments. Market your business like a pro. Use social media marketing like Instagram and TikTok. Show deals and unboxing videos. For YouTube Shorts, teach people how to shop and ship. Facebook ads target Caribbean and African buyers. You can also have a referral program. Offer discounts or cash to customers who refer friends. Let's talk money and let's break it down. How much can you potentially make in this business? For example, if you look at this earning potential sheet, this is just an example. For the shopping fee, you can charge about 10% with 50 clients at $20 an order. That's $1,000 monthly. For shipping and handling, you can charge about $30 per package, and with 50 clients, that is $1,500 per month. Now, there are some customers that may need things urgently, so for rush orders or extra fees, you can charge about $10 per order, and with 30 customers wanting those rush orders or extra fees, you can get potentially $300. That is a total of $2,800 a month. With just 50 clients per month, you could be making an extra $2,800. So imagine scaling this business to 100 clients per month. This personal shopper business is low cost, high demand, and easy to start. If you're in the US, UK, or Canada, you can help international customers shop smarter and ship cheaper. Would you start a personal shopper business? Comment below if you would start this business and let us know which country you'll target first. This personal shopper and shipping business works because customers will now have access to multiple stores. Customers can buy from Amazon, Walmart, Target, Macy's, Sephora, or even niche boutiques without worrying about separate shipments. This brings us to the next point: consolidated shipping. Instead of paying for shipping from multiple stores, customers save money by having you bundle their purchases into one package before shipping. Exclusive US, UK, Canada deals. Many US, UK, and Canada retailers offer sales, discount, and store-only exclusives that international customers can't access. This is where you step in. This business model is high demand in the Caribbean, Latin America, and Africa. Many people in Jamaica, Trinidad, Grenada, Bahamas, Guyana, Nigeria, Kenya, and other regions use courier services. services like DHL, FedEx, or local freight forwarders, but still struggle with direct shopping access. So, are you ready to start this business? Pick a name, set up payment options, find a shipping partner, and start promoting your business today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more side hustles and money-making business ideas. Also, don't forget to check out the link in the description box for more resources on starting your small business. Remember, you got this. Boss up.